Okay, so I made my Padlet and start with my biography assignment right here. Um right here we made this assignment so we can get to know each other, and it was an icebreaker. It was a pretty cool assignment. I mean, everybody kind of tell each other about each other, and got to learn unique things at the beginning of the semester. The next one is our name tent. We use this like for every class basically to see who was there and who wasn't. It's pretty cool assignment to just kind of get to know each other's names. For our next one, we used the inspiration map. These were some places I wanted to go and travel, and the assumption map. Also, the assumption map. This was what I stood for, and basically what my why and the code I live by. The next project was a Symbaloo. It was bookmarking sites. It was important just in case you wanted the same information and mark destinations you wanted to go. The next one is the publisher travel brochure. I will use this brochure by knowing sites I want to see, restaurants and different hotels and places, areas I would like to visit. The thematic slideshow and Google Sites about LSU. This was pretty cool because we got to go around campus and take pictures of things that we thought was interesting and got to present it to the class. The keynote. One thing I like about keynote presentation is that it offered some animations and different things that PowerPoint couldn't offer. And then Blogger, I can use the Blogger and just kind of tell about my hobbies and interests and share information about things I thought was interesting on the internet. And the team movie was pretty fun. We got to go through ops and show things about ops. It was a good collaboration with my partners. And with my website, it was pretty cool because there's another way I can tell things by myself and go more into depth. You can see that here. And then my final presentation was like how to. And I just put how you can how you can restart your iPhone if you need be. I thought it was pretty funny because I know in one class I was struggling with my iPhone and I had to try to fix it. And but this is my Padlet. I enjoyed being in the class. Mine wasn't too long. I just went through everything, and hopefully, it was good enough. And thank you for the time and the good times during the semester.